welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've been here, I know, but I'm back, and today's video we are reviewing the Dyson Airstrait, and I'm very excited to try this. I got this because I have really fine hair and it's kind of thin, and I keep killing it with heating products and like normal straighteners, so I decided to splurge and buy this, and we're gonna see how well it works and if it was worth $500. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna do some heat protectant. This is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Mist. I've heard this is better for like thin hair, so we're gonna use this. But I'm going to section it as I go. This might not be like perfect the first time because like this is the first time I'm using it, but we're just gonna see what happens. Oh, it smells really good too. Wow. Hope I didn't do too much of that. I'm just really scared of damaging my hair anymore. Okay, we're gonna learn how to use this together because I have no idea. Temperature control is the red button. Next is airflow speed. Cool mode is the blue. Mode select, style from wet or dry. Oh, your hair doesn't have to be very wet for this. And then power is the bottom. Oh, there's a self-cleaning. Projects 3 seconds of cold airflow every time you power on. Oh. Idle mode. Your machine automatically drops to low airflow between passes for easy styling. 1. Rough, dry, wet roots. If styling from wet, close and lock the machine arm, then direct the airflow to gently dry roots. Oh god, that's crazy. Okay. Next, straighten wet or dry. Pass sections of rough, dry hair through the machine. Or use restyle already. Let's see how this works. Whoa. I've done the first layer and it worked really well. I think I understand this product a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair now. Some of my hair is already dry on the top, but it says you can use it with dry or wet hair. We just need to do our heat protector. Oh yeah, so here you can change the heat. I have it on 230. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I think I'm gonna have to touch it up a little bit once we're done here. It's definitely still a little bit wet in the back, but we're gonna go over here and see what happens. I did all of the heat. We're dry, and I think it's pretty straight. I think that worked pretty well. It's not perfect because that was some trial and error that occurred. But now it says once you're done with the heat, you use the cool mode and you close this to like go over it. Finish style. Style to set. So we're gonna do that. All right, I think we're done. I think that's as good as she's gonna get today. My light keeps dying, so I'm gonna keep this quick. But overall, I think this is definitely worth it. My hair is really straight, it's really dry, and that was definitely trial and error because I've never used this before, but I think it worked really well. If you have the Airstrait, let me know what you think of it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.